Hello, people of the interwebs. Today we're going to be making everybody's favorite bacon. I'm Chef Cash White, and I'm here today because God has delivered me from my circumstances and placed me in a place where I can share my love of food with you. Have you ever noticed that when you go to a restaurant, you get the world's best bacon? It's always consistently crispy, it's never really burnt, you just get that awesome bacon flavor. Well, today, we're gonna learn how to do it, and I'll give you a hint. You're not gonna use one skillet. As a matter of fact, the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna do it in the oven. So the first thing I did here, I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. This is just your regular plain Jane bacon right out of your meat aisle. We're gonna take it, we're gonna put it on these sheet pans. I've lined these with a little bit of tin foil just to keep it a little bit cleaner. One of the tricks when you do this is this. Do not pull the bacon too hard. You wanna slowly remove it so that it doesn't stretch out. Now, the colder your bacon is, the easier it is to do this. Then lay it out on your cookie sheet. It's okay if you have a little bit of crinkly or it hangs over a little bit of the edge. It's gonna draw up as it cooks. This will also keep you from having too many splatter burns on your hands from frying the bacon in a frying pan. This method will work with any kind of bacon, thick cut, thin cut, smoked bacon, whatever you got. With this bacon, since it's not exactly cold, I'm rolling it up so it doesn't stretch. And then unrolling it makes it easier. All right, that's about all we're gonna fit. All right, so now that we have our bacon on our trays, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop it in the oven. I got it at 350 for about 12 minutes, and then we're gonna check it and see where we're at. So I've had the bacon in for about 10 minutes, and I have been having a blast playing with my little buddies here. Anyways, we're gonna get it out, we're gonna swap them, that way they cook evenly. So come take a look. I'm gonna take the bottom one and move it up top, take the top one, move it down below. We're gonna leave those in for just another few minutes. Sound good? Sounds good. Am I your favorite chef? No. What? You like that Gordon Ramsay guy? Yeah, I get it. He's got a better accent than me. Sure does. All right, cool. Awesome. All right, so our bacon's been in a total of about 15 minutes. We're gonna pull it out and we're gonna set it up so we can drain off some of that delicious bacon grease. Pour off some of that bacon grease. Then I'm gonna leave it tilted up a little bit here in a sec. I left it tilted up like that just a little bit so we can drain the rest of that grease down to the bottom, and we can let it cool for just a minute before we pull it out and really let it cool off to get crisp. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull this off and get the rest of the bacon grease off of it just by putting it on a little paper towel like so. It's still really hot and it will burn you. There we go, guys. That is perfectly cooked restaurant quality bacon. Crispy, not burnt. Absolutely perfect. If you guys like the way we're doing things here on Chef Cash White and you have any questions, comments, suggestions of recipes, leave them down in the comments below, and please don't forget to click subscribe. Guys, we have a lot of fun doing what we do. It's all for the glory of God. The last thing I wanted to leave with each and every one of you is this. Keep the faith, enjoy the food. I love you guys. Good night. Get her done!